breaking news in the case against Casey Anthony.
The state of Florida says it will pursue the death penalty against Casey Anthony. Good evening. I'm Aixa Diaz in for Martha Sagalski.
I'm Jim Payne. West 2 reporter Bob Keeling broke this story first today on West 2 News at 4 and joins us now with more details. And Bob, this heightens what the defense strategy will be.
No doubt about it, Jim. Now, according to a source in the clerk's office, this notice to seek death was filed by the state a little over an hour ago. Jose Baez spokeswoman Marty McKenzie just confirmed that development as well. Now, in that notice, the lead prosecutor on the case said there are, quote, sufficient aggravating circumstances for the state to seek the death penalty against Casey Anthony. Before this development, a criminal defense lawyer told us, in light of Jose Baez's latest court filing, his strategy to fight for an acquittal is now clear.
You know, we call it the some other dude did it defense.
Based on his analysis of Jose Baez's latest court motion, defense lawyer Richard Hornsby says his strategy to debunk the prosecution's theory in the case against Casey is now clear.
He's definitely going towards debunking the state's theory that Casey did it by showing that, well, the body was put there by somebody else after the fact. I've got to think that's where he's going, and that's a strong argument on his part.
In his new motion, Baez wants to subpoena phone records from people like the Anthony's private investigator, Dominic Casey, who searched that stretch of woods in November 3 times but found nothing. Deputy Richard Kane responded to Roy Crunk's tip in August and reported finding nothing but trash. Hornsby says Baez can present as witnesses multiple people who went into the woods before December and came out with nothing.
I don't think Jose Baez is going to have much trouble debunking Roy Crunk, especially because, remember, he's one person. You have these other people that went out there and looked.
Casey Anthony is charged with her daughter Kaylee's murder. Hornsby says establishing a reasonable doubt that someone else did it or even acted as an accomplice in disposing of Kaylee's remains is a big step towards a jury verdict of not guilty. Jose Baez spokeswoman confirmed they've been notified of the state's decision to seek the death penalty. They're still discussing it, still working on a statement, but she did tell us this will mean that Jose Baez cannot be the lead attorney in the case. He's not qualified in the state of Florida to try death penalty cases. We'll have much more reaction to the state's decision, once again, to seek the death penalty against Casey Anthony coming up all new at 6 o'clock. Jim.